Hello kids, welcome you all to the video lecture on Math Olympiad class 3 chapter number 1 number sense. Today we are going to discuss about the questions 11 to 15. 11th question is arrange the following abacuses in ascending order and select the correct option. So they have given 4 options of abacus. So we need to find out first what are all the numbers represented in each abacus and then we have to arrange that in the ascending order. So according to the ascending order we have to pick the option here. So let us see the P option. So what is the number here? In 1000 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5000, then hundreds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 hundreds are there, right? So 700, then 2 tens are there and then 5 ones are there. So thousands, hundreds, tens and ones position we have these values, right? So this is for P and then for Q. So 1000 it is 3, 100 it is again 7, 1000 it is tens it is 5 and then ones position it is 2 and then R option 1000 it is again 7, 100 it is 5, tens position it is 2, ones position nothing it is there, so it is 0 and then S it is 1000 it is 6 and then 100 it is 5, tens it is 2, ones it is 0. So these are all the values we have observed, right? So compare the thousands position, then it is easy for us to arrange in the ascending order, right? So ascending order means we have to write the smallest number first followed by the biggest number. So here when we compare the 1000 position, 3 is the smallest number. So what is that number? 3752, right? And then what is the next number after 3? Which one is bigger? It is 5, right? So 5725 and then after 5 it will come next the 6, right? So next it is which number? 6520 and then after 6 which is the biggest number? It is 7. So it is 7520. So what are all the options we have? So 3 means it is Q, 5 means it is P and then 6 means it is S and then 7 means it is R, right? So this is the option which we have in the ascending order. So Q, P, S, R. So Q, P, S, R. D option is correct. So arrange the values in the ascending order. The options are Q, P, S, R. So D option is correct for the 11th question. Then the greatest 4-digit odd number that can be formed by using the digits 9, 1, 0, 5, using each digit only once. So we need to use only once the each digit and it should be the greatest 4-digit number and also it should be a odd number. So what are the numbers they have given? 9, 1, 0, 5. So we need to arrange that as a greatest 4-digit number. So which one is greatest number? It is 9. Then which one is next bigger number? It is 5. Which one is next bigger number? It is 1. Which one is smallest number? It is 0. So if it is 9, 5, 1, 0, whether it is odd number? Since they are asking odd number, whether it is odd number? No, it is actually even number. Why? Because at one's position we have 0. So it is a even number. So how we can change it as the odd number? So let me check whether we can interchange 1 and 0, right? So the next digit in tens position it is 1. Let me interchange the ones position and tens position value. So let me keep 9 and 5 as it is, just interchange these two numbers. So what happened? It is 0, 1. So now check whether it is odd number. Yes, since it ones position we have 1, it is the odd number. So the greatest 4-digit odd number here it is 9501. So option A is correct. Which of the following has the place value of 4 as 40? So actually what is the place value? Place value of a particular digit, that is here they are asking for 4, then we have to write that a digit and then its value of the place, that is where it is locating, that we have to multiply. So what is the digit actually? Place value of 4 and where it is locating, right, where it is locating, that value we have to multiply. So what they are asking, place value of 4 is 40. So already they have given place value of 4 as 40. So what is the digit actually? 4. Which value we have to multiply in order to get 40? Actually it is 10, because 4 into 10 only it is 40. So we have to find out in the abacus where the 4 is appearing in tens position, in which abacus at tens position we are having 4 values, that we have to find out. So here check, it is 243. What about this one? It is 432. What about this one? It is 324. And then this one is 433. At a tens position, which abacus is having 4 number of balls? So here only we have 4 number of balls. Other things and all, it is 3, it is 2, it is 3. So only this abacus is having 4 balls, right, at a tens position. So option A is correct. Which of the following number names shows the dog's number? So what is the dog's number? It is 3729, that is 3729. So it is 1100 tens and ones. So 3729. So which one is there? Check here, it is 3729. So C option is correct. Why? Because it is 3927, 3709, 3900, that is 3972, right? So only the option C is correct, which is 3729. Then which of the following is correct? So we need to check which one is correct. Both in the left hand side and right hand side it should satisfy, right? So what is there here? 3864 here. Let me check whether it is there. 3864. Yes, it is correct. Then here 4811. So 4811. So this one is also correct. Then 8199. 8199. This one is also correct. So check whether if suppose one of the option is all of this, right, always we need to check all the 3 option. So many of the people will do mistake here. Why? Because if they find out the first option is correct, they will take the first option and they will go off. But check all the options whenever they are giving all of these, right? So since they have given all of this, all the 3 options are correct. So option D is correct. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.